Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add a custom GitHub gist into your WordPress page using Sign Builder. So let's go to the dashboard, go to Pages section, choose the page where you wish to embed GitHub gist. So let's say in my case it's Features page, and here you can see Edit with Sign Builder. You can go directly there. Okay, now here, as you can see, I have Insert Inside button. Click on that, then choose element, let's say a section. Now here inside this section I can add element, choose content element, choose custom code. Now here it says your custom code. Click on this pencil icon, then click on edit element. Now here we are going to add custom HTML, PHP. Okay, you can also choose between that. Okay, there is also styling option and advanced option where you can see custom CSS option as well. Right, so what we'll do is we'll go to this custom HTML option, go to gist.github.com, then we will choose gist to embed. Right, so let's go to this particular console gist. Then you have this embed gist section here which we can copy. Now go back to your custom HTML, paste it over there, click on apply. Right, then save and publish the page. Right, so what we can do, we will exit and check out if it works. And as you can see, your custom GitHub gist is available on Features page.